Hola los birds. Hola los pájaros.
Aquí sí, chingón, güey, que no se me vaya. ¿Por dónde, por allá?
Por aquí. Did I ever mention we deliver the big houses? Yep. People always ask me, so what do you do at work? Nothing. Here comes Eddie. Being unlazy as usual. I guess that makes sense, right? It's always hard at work. Mira, over there. Garage number 4. I'm trapped in an elevator in a house. Here comes Eddie. Here comes Eddie. Where are they? I made it. Alright, if anybody can guess what that box is. You're right. I'm about to go get the alternator hooked up. Oh yeah. Just got out of work, but it's about to get dark. And I might end up going to scraping. And I don't really think I could pull that off. So let me see. I'm gonna have to go with mechanical stuff, so I don't want to break it.
Oh, ya está todo, toda la casa fría.
El de 18 costaba 315.
Ajá, sí, dijo. Y es lo que dijo. No, y dijo el señor.
Sí, es mucho.
Este era 8. Este es 12.
Ya con ese 12 se pasó.
Pues hay que tomar.
Good enough. We're gonna have some air conditioning now. Is that a laser pointer, or are you just happy to see me?
Just happy to see. Derek got a pointer. Pero ¿sabes qué? Hay unas patitas, como es una patita aquí, una patita aquí en medio, otra patita acá, 3 patitas de esa misma, y le pongo clavos así la corto.
They're hard at work.
A ver, espérate, Beto. ¿Tú vas a sacar de lado? A ver.
No, es mucho.
No, hazte para allá.
It looks about ready.
Ah, sí, me dijo que guarde la aseguranza. Por si algo, sí, por si algo le dije, ¿sabes qué? Déjamelo, si algo.
Friday, June the 22nd. Doing a delivery down there. Ugh. It's just another one of another day. Bringing all this stuff down the hill. Who says I need a gym? I just missed it. Carrying a box. Yeah.
Abajo, nomás de la llanta. Ándale, güey.
Oh yeah.
Mira la pobre troca.
That's our gym. Delivering furniture down a hill. Vanity. This is our gym workout, like I said earlier. I don't know nothing. I never did do an unboxing video because technically I erased it by accident. So, ta-da! I wonder what that is. Maybe it's that. If you look around, you might get an idea what I'm about to do. Everybody on Facebook already knows. Alright, so that's the old one. That's the new pulley, but it's a lot smaller than the old one. What are we doing for the delay? We got our cars worked on. Oh yeah. I'll let him deal with the technical stuff. Alternator's in. But I still gotta run the voltage regulator. That's the new voltage. So we had to change the size of the pulley so it won't have belt slippage. .225 amp excessive amperage installed.
This stuff is overstressing me.
This is with the new alternator. Just put it in right now. It's 4th of July. Air conditioner's on.
You gotta do it, baby mama, put me on the map.
And now it's not 14.4, it's 12.2 because we had to change the pulley.
Ain't getting nothing for the baby, but I still gotta do it. I can't work. Seems like the whole world's ignoring me, but I still gotta do it. Everybody's getting more than me.
Alright, it's 4th of July. We're chilling.
Let's blow up the car.
We're gonna see if we can't melt down the car by hooking up the external regulator. I took the alternator to get it installed at an actual shop because last time I did it I messed up the other one really bad, so I was like, I'm not scratching up the little paint. $40 later, it's on. But we're gonna do all the wiring for the voltage regulator. We had to change out the pulley because the other one was small, so I didn't want to have any belt problems, belt slip or whatever. So we put the bigger pulley that was on the other alternator onto the new one, but it went from 14.4, 14.1 to 12.2, 12.1 because of the size of the pulley. So we're gonna adjust that in a moment once we get all this hooked up.
Yep. And figure out how to get it hooked up first.
Yeah, how to wire it up first. Alright, Nate, teach us.